Over 75% of the 500,000 women who have taken my menopause symptoms quiz state that they have become uncomfortable with their weight gain since entering menopause. If this is you and you've been struggling to keep check on your weight, then will you join me on my New Year intake of the My Menopause Transformation Transform Me program? It's on sale for you now with $100 off and bonus modules on joint, gut and heart health. It's my biggest sale of the year. You will love what you learn and love how you feel. This 12-week online coaching program has helped thousands of women around the world lose their unhealthy menopause and post-menopause weight using my powerful, scientifically evidenced lifestyle solutions. You will learn how to restore your sleep so that you burn fat overnight, restore your liver and gut health, which are essential organs in the weight loss pathway, as well as turn around estrogen dominance, a condition which keeps you in fat storing mode as you transition through menopause. Not only that, but you will also understand how you can improve your energy, reduce your hot flushes, improve your brain fog, as well as reduce inflammation in your joints so that you can move more freely. Even if you are in postmenopause, then this powerful weight loss program is for you. Thousands of women have taken back control of their weight gain in menopause, and I want you to know what to do too. It's information you can trust and results you will love. The world-class Transform Me program was developed from my PhD studies on women's healthy aging and my own desire to take back control of weight gain in midlife. I was so frustrated with not being able to lose weight, and like other women, I felt confused about all the different messages. That's when I realized I needed to use my physiology, health and exercise background to pull together the scientific evidence for menopause weight loss. Out of this came the world-class Transform Me program for you. We are now in quite a different hormonal environment, so this is why many other weight loss strategies or what you've done in the past may not work. Knowledge is power, and I love how women tell me that what they learn makes so much sense. I'm Dr Wendy Sweet, women's healthy aging researcher from New Zealand and founder of My Menopause Transformation. It would be my privilege for you to join me on my January New Year Transform Me sale.